That Friday night, the air felt colder than usual. The wind whispered softly, rustling the dry leaves scattered on the ground. I had just finished helping install lights for a gathering at the village head's house. The village roads were still empty, with only the sound of crickets chirping in the distance. To take a shortcut, I decided to pass through the bamboo grove, known for being haunted. People called it fallen bamboo because there was a large bamboo stalk that had fallen in the middle of the grove, yet strangely, it never decayed. Legend had it that supernatural beings resided there. As I walked through the dense bamboo, my steps slowed. A faint whisper came from between the leaves swaying in the wind. At first, I thought it was just the sound of bamboo rubbing together, but the longer I listened, the clearer it became. Someone was whispering my name. I shouldn't be scared, I muttered to myself, trying to stay calm. But as I took another step, something cold brushed the back of my neck. I turned quickly, but no one was there. Only a dark shadow flickered between the bamboo stalks. Suddenly, a soft laugh echoed, quiet but piercing through the night. I strained my eyes, and at the end of the narrow path near fallen bamboo, I saw her. A woman stood there. Her long hair draped over her face, and her clothes were tattered. She didn't seem to be touching the ground. I wanted to run, but my body froze in place. She began moving closer, her steps slow but deliberate. Each time she moved, I heard the sharp crack of bamboo breaking around me. With trembling lips, I recited a prayer in my heart. Shang Yang Ing Wang Pratanda Poti. As soon as the mantra left my lips, the ghost stopped. Then, a strong wind howled, sending dry bamboo leaves swirling through the air. When I blinked, she was gone, leaving behind only the foul stench of decay. I didn't wait any longer. With whatever courage I had left, I ran as fast as I could, escaping the bamboo grove. Since that night, I swore never to take the fallen bamboo path on a Friday night again.